Hello guys, kumusta? Thursday morning. Ito, tumitingin tayo ng Prius. 2013 Toyota Prius, 200,000 miles. Ano nung kita nyo? 200,000 miles. Yeah, mataas ang mileage. Yeah, pero Toyota Prius to kaya nito umabot ng 300, 400,000 kung well maintained. So, napansin ko, namatay na yung engine niya. Hindi na siya nagcha-charge. Okay, pero yung battery niya is 3 bars. Ba't di siya nagcha-charge? I have to do my research. Tumapa ako ng gas. Nabuhay ulit. Okay. Overall impression, yeah, madumi. Tin-rate in lang daw to sa kanila madumi yung kotse, hindi man lang nila nilinis. I don't know kung may ginawa sila, pero wala siguro as is, no? They're asking 4,500 para dito 2013 Toyota Prius. Okay, yan, accepted na yan, madumi. Medyo malambot yung gulong dito sa front. Tapos ito, madumi din. Magana yung battery. Yung hybrid battery gumagana. Yan, narinig yung hybrid battery. Pinapatakbo niya yung AC. Pero yung makina mismo patay. Tataka lang ako dumi dito sobrang dumi. Hindi kaya binaha to. Pero okay lang din kung mura lang. Tsaka ano lang naman, backup car. Okay lang sa akin yan. Basta nagtataka ko lang. Ayan, AC system on battery, patay makina. Ito yung high voltage area Ayun tumatakbo yung fan. Okay, now it stopped charging at 3 bars. 3 bars. Stop charging at 3 bars. Let me look online. Okay, according to the interweb, it's normal for the Prius to charge it up to 4 or 5 bars to prevent overcharging, to optimize the battery. So, but this is 3 bars. Okay. And here, this is not a good sign. Okay, this is normal, but this is yeah, it's normal. I thought it got wet. No, it's not. It's just old. Okay. The brake pump is not faulty. That's the AC. Okay, now the engine turned on to charge. Let's see if it's already connected. Okay. Back, body is good. Okay. Huh. Okay. Unlock. Unlock. Okay. What is that? What is this piece? What is this? This is the battery. Okay, it looks new. It looks new. Okay, one last look at the engine bay before I close it. Is this just dirty or got flooded? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. No oil. Okay, no step. Aside from this, okay, one last look at the outside. Like I said, flat on this side. Broken fog light. Headlight. Needs to refresh that headlight. Maybe 13. This is consumption generated times 300 watt hours. Okay. Hi guys, so kinausap ko na yung office nila. 4,500 kasama na yung registration. Sabi ko, negotiable ba yan? Hanggang 4,400 daw. So parang sabi niya, parang 3,900 yung kotse plus paperworks. Abot ng 1,400. Okay, tapos gusto nila cash car eh. Para alam ko yan, para pag may sira, hindi mo na mababawi yan. Pero overall yung body maganda naman for its age, no? Ang ayaw ko lang yung engine bay madumi, na sa bagay kung hindi naman primary car eh, backup car lang naman, tsaka pwede pa siyang ayusin. I will think about it. Okay guys, tatapusin ko na yung video ko, no? So ang ending, hindi ko binili yung yung Prius kahapon. So sa Facebook or sa internet, maganda siya, maganda yung presyo. Kahit mataas yung mileage, okay lang sa akin kasi tumatagal naman talaga yung Prius, no. Ang problema ko yung vibe, no, ng kotse. It's giving me the vibe na hindi inalagaan yung kotse. Kasi ang dumi ng engine bay, yun ang nakakatakot eh. Yung dumi na okay lang kung oil nga nakakatakot din eh, pero parang putik kasi sabi ko ano ba to, binaha. Tsaka iba yung feel, parang napabayaan talaga, no? Kaya sabi ko okay, iba talaga pagka kailangan makita mo in person. I don't advise people buying online tapos i-deliver sa bahay mo. Okay? So I think it's back to the drawing board, back to research. Research muna ako. And yan, daming ganap kasi kahapon. Hindi ko lang masabi. Pero ngayon guys, looking pa rin ako ng ng aming backup car. Hindi ganoon kamahal, pero dapat reliable. So, that's it guys. See you next time. Bye.